We got our first fish of the morning. Got a decent little mahi, not a monster. My bro, Marky Mark. Sun coming up. 356 feet of water. We just picked up that mahi right up here on this line, so I'm coming back on my track line. See if we can pick up another. Logan's up there rigging. About 35 miles offshore this morning. Gorgeous day, so I'm pretty excited. Sorry we didn't get a little footage of that bite, but we are actually coming right back up on where we got a bite on that fish. So maybe so. We're trolling a bird way back, a polokai. We got a big purple bonita. See if we can get us a wahoo, and then another zac attack. That's what we picked up our mahi on. So all right, folks, let's see if we can find another one. Only 5:52, and we've already got a fish in the boat. Awesome. Woo! Got a nice mahi on, folks. Gonna try to film and gaff. All right, get ready to back up, Mark. I guess a pretty one. That's a good one, man. Whoa! Woo! Look at that. That's beautiful. Not the best gaff shot, but I'll take it.
Awesome.
Bull. Logan. Let's take the reel. Look there, man. Got one, everybody. Nice little bull mahi. Heck yeah. Yeah, he's got that nautical. The bulls or the males have that big straight up forehead. That one's still got a little bit of life in him. What a cool fish, man. Awesome job, Logan. We're trolling, got a 4-rod spread rolling. We got some grass. We're trying to skirt the edge without driving right through it. We got some current. And here we're in 282 feet of water. 601 feet of water there, folks. What do you think, Marcus?
I don't know. We need some fish.
Mark's got the hairdo going. We got a 4-rod spread going today on the Buskin 29. We got a bird way back. We got a ballyhoo rig. We got a big mad scat on the International 70, Speedmaster 25, TLD 30, and that's Logan's rig right there, man. It sure is pretty out here. Come on, over here. Can you walk toward the bow a little bit? Look there.
Ooh, that's a white one.
Woo, that's a pretty one, man. Y'all see that? Look at the colors. Come over here, Marcus.
That's beautiful.
Yow, man, that thing's awesome. Nice job. We're gonna put him in the box. That's number 3. Look what we got there, folks. That's a triple tail. That's kind of a new fish for the day. We were out here, and he's super cool, man. Let's get this dude in the boat. That's a really neat fish, kind of unique unto themselves. That one's a juvenile. Mark, you want to hold the camera for me?
Sure.
I'll show him off a little bit. And grab this guy if he doesn't. Now you got to be careful. They got teeth. They got spines. I'll open his mouth gently.
There he goes.
There we go. We're using a circle hook and a little piece of bait. There we go. Very cool. Really pretty. Caught him offshore. We're about 40 miles or so offshore.
There he goes.
Those are neat. Good job, bro.
Thank you.
We got on a nice little school of some schoolie dolphin there. So I think we picked up 5 or 6 schoolie dolphin. Just a good eating size. They're not monsters. That one's a blue one. It's crazy, their coloration. That one's a little bull. He's got that blunt forehead there. So we're working on a little fishing trip there, and it is glassy out here. Crazy. Out here in the Buskins 2900. I got this big old sea turtle, everybody. There he goes. Oh, I can still see him down there. This morning I looked on there, we've already traveled like 120 some miles. 120 some miles today. Pretty sweet. Check this out. Matches Logan's shirt, kind of, man.
Yeah, not a bad fish.
Yeah, not a bad little bull there, man. We were on our way in, and I saw something busting on the surface. It's like a mill pond out here. Marky Mark got in on it, man. We were on our way. It's about 2 o'clock, and yeah, one more nice fish. Want to show him off one more time there, man, in the sun. What a amazing fish. Well, we did pretty good today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little offshore adventure with our family. I think we're gonna wind it up. We got a fishing charter tomorrow, and anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give us a like, thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, all that good stuff. Captain Joe, Island Marine Charters, my son Logan, my brother Marky Mark. We'll catch you folks in the next episode.